Biomimiks is a chemistry-based technology used for drug discovery, drug development, and patient treatment. Many people use medicines to improve and maintain their health. Research conducted during drug discovery determines the effectiveness of those medicines, as well as their potential side effects and toxicity. In humans and other animals, when a drug is consumed, it is metabolized in the liver by liver enzymes before it is distributed throughout the body and excreted. When liver enzymes react with a drug, the chemical byproducts are called metabolites. Toxic metabolites can cause harmful side effects, explaining why some people experience adverse reactions to drugs. Today, scientists isolate and identify drug metabolites using liver slices, bodily fluids, and cell lines derived from animals. The current process for profiling metabolites is labor-intensive and produces inconclusive results. Mother Nature protects complex liver enzymes from degradation with a proteinous sheath. At the core of the liver enzyme is a hemoprotein, or heme, with an iron atom. As humans and animals breathe, oxygen binds naturally to the iron atom, generating a powerful oxidant that transforms a drug into metabolites that can be evaluated. For years, scientists have tried to design synthetic chemical catalysts that mimic the way Mother Nature metabolizes drugs. These early catalysts were unstable, however, and produced insufficient amounts of metabolites for further research. And because bodily fluids are aqueous systems, unstable metabolites continue to go undetected. Empirico has made significant improvements to oxidative catalyst design by adding steric barriers and electronic activators to their Biomimiks catalysts. These successfully mimic the structure and function of liver enzymes, serving as chemosynthetic livers. With Biomimiks, scientists can now generate and predict the metabolic pathways of drugs in a test tube or in vitro. Scientists can use Biomimiks to profile the complete spectrum of drug metabolites, quickly screen and rule out ineffective and toxic drug compounds while selecting high-potential targets, produce metabolites on a multi-gram scale for ongoing clinical testing, and design more effective chemical entities. Today, physicians face an uphill battle when prescribing new drugs to patients who are already taking other medications. Currently, they lack the information they need to properly evaluate drug-to-drug interactions, effectiveness, and safety issues. Too often, physicians rely on trial and error when prescribing new drugs for their patients, wasting precious time, cost, and peace of mind. Empirico is currently developing a chemistry-based solution that will give physicians the information they need to predict the safety of a new drug within the context of a patient's existing drug regimen. In the lab, targeted drugs are reacted with Empirico's Biomimiks catalyst in a patient's plasma or serum medium to detect interactions between drugs and metabolites. With Empirico's Biomimiks ex vivo technology, physicians will be able to determine which drugs interact unfavorably and which drug combination is optimal for a patient. This will enable Biomimiks to deliver the information physicians need to prescribe the right drugs to the right patients. All the information gathered from Biomimiks solutions related to drug metabolism will be incorporated into Empirico's Clinical Intelligence Technology, or CIT platform. Empirico's CIT platform will incorporate drug metabolism information into disease, patient, and drug models. This will help identify new drugs for specific patient populations and design better clinical studies and dosing regimens. This CIT platform will also enable researchers and physicians to participate in a continuous feedback loop between patient outcomes and drug discovery, gaining access to a new level of proactive intelligence. Empirico's game-changing Biomimiks technology, combined with the CIT platform, forges a new path for clinical R&D, simulating and predicting optimal drug designs. while improving patient outcomes.